Forecast of Vietnam's exports to the US in 2025. 2025 is predicted to be a promising year for Vietnam's exports to the US, with total export turnover expected to reach between 125 and 130 billion United States dollars. Experts believe that key industries such as textiles and garments, wooden handicrafts, electronic machinery and equipment, and agricultural products will continue to grow strongly. The textile and garment industry, expected to reach 25 billion United States dollars, will grow thanks to the increasing demand for high quality and environmentally friendly products. Wooden handicrafts, forecast to reach 10 billion United States dollars, an increase of more than 20% compared to 2024. Thanks to the trend of consuming sustainable furniture products in the US. In addition, high-tech products such as electronic components and telecommunications equipment also contribute significantly to total export turnover, with the value expected to increase by 15 to 18%, thanks to the expansion of production from large corporations such as Samsung, Intel and LG. The agricultural and aquatic products sector, including items such as shrimp, pangasius and cashew nuts, is forecast to reach a turnover of over 7 billion United States dollars. Stable product quality and meeting strict US food safety standards are important factors helping this sector develop. Items such as rubber and iron and steel are also expected to maintain stable growth and play an important role in the US industrial production supply chain. Vietnam will continue to benefit from the trend of shifting global supply chains. Thanks to competitive labor costs, a favorable investment environment and increasingly improved production capacity, consumers in the United States are shifting to sustainable products, creating great opportunities for Vietnamese businesses to promote production innovation and increase supply chain value. However, Vietnamese businesses also face some major challenges to achieve their export targets. Trade defense measures from the United States, especially in areas such as textiles and steel, can put great pressure on exporters. Increasingly fierce competition from regional rivals such as China, Bangladesh and India also requires businesses to invest more in technology and innovation to maintain their competitive advantage. However, with a solid foundation from strategic partnerships and opportunities from global trends, Vietnam can absolutely make great strides in exporting to the United States by 2025. If Vietnam can take advantage of opportunities and effectively address challenges, it will open a new chapter of promising trade cooperation with the United States.